I didn't really know what I wanted to do career-wise, whether I wanted to do an apprenticeship or go to university. So I thought going abroad might buy me some time to think about it a bit more. Hello, my name is Sharia and I'm currently interning with AuPairWorld. And since I was an au pair myself, I thought I'd talk a bit about my life after au pairing. So, like I said, I worked as an au pair in England straight after my A-levels. On the one hand, because I always wanted to go abroad and especially to England. But on the other hand, also because I didn't really know what I wanted to do career-wise, whether I wanted to do an apprenticeship or go to university. So I thought going abroad might buy me some time to think about it a bit more. So yeah, as soon as I arrived in England, I already started to look into positions for apprenticeships. And at that time I still didn't know whether I wanted to do that, but just to keep my options open, I applied for a few positions. And I actually did get some invitations to job interviews, which I attended during my Christmas break when I went home for Christmas. But at that time I already had a feeling that an apprenticeship might not be the right thing for me. But I did go to the job interviews anyways, because I thought it's never bad to get some experience in job interviews and stuff. But yeah, when I went, I did realize that I kind of had already decided in my head that I wanted to go to university. So when I went back to England in January, I straight away started to look into university programs. I've always been interested in languages, and I also did take language-based A-levels. So I looked into language uni programs and I applied for quite a few. And after considering all my options, I decided to move to Marburg, which is a beautiful city in the north of Frankfurt. And yeah, my study program is called Language and Communication, and it consists of mostly German philology and also some English courses and Spanish courses in my case. So you're able to choose like a third or even fourth language, but I decided to stick with only a third and learn it properly, if you want to say so. My study program also gave me the opportunity to take a business course and a psychology class, which I really enjoyed. And I'm actually able to apply some of my language skills that I gained during my au pair stay. So yeah, guess I wouldn't be here without my au pair experience, because it really helped me to figure out what I want to do. And I met some amazing friends here who also spent some time abroad, so that was something we could immediately talk about and bond over. And yeah, without my au pair year, I also definitely wouldn't be interning with AuPairWorld right now, so that's also something that I'm really happy about. Yeah, that's kind of my life summarized, and I hope you enjoyed, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!